How to comment blank on Instagram. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, open your preferred web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type invisible text and search for it. Then click on the first website that appears. You'll look for the copy to the clipboard button and click on it. This action saves the invisible text to your clipboard. Furthermore, open the Instagram app on your device and navigate to the post where you want to comment blank. Likewise, click on the comment icon. Here, paste the invisible text in the comment bar. Press and hold the comment box and choose the paste option. The blank space will be inserted into the text field. Lastly, hit the send arrow to submit your comment. Since the text is invisible, your comment will appear blank. That's it. Now you know how to comment blank on Instagram.